Welcome to the StatTree video help module for package or library installation. To run tests on your data in Julia, you may need to install a package from a programmer's repository such as GitHub. This can be accomplished with a simple command in Visual Studio Code. You first need to find a package that will run the needed program within Julia for a given test. Most often this requires a Google search. Once you have located the package in the repository, right-mouse click over the package name and copy the link. In the Julia terminal in VS Code, there are two command options for installing packages. The first option involves entering the package function by pressing the close square bracket key, then typing the command add and pasting the URL at the package prompt. Hit enter. This package adding process takes some time. The second option involves importing the package function. At the Julia prompt, type the command import package, then hit enter. At the Julia prompt, type in the command package.add, open parentheses, open quote, name, close quote, close parentheses, where name represents the name of the package. Hit enter. This package adding process also takes some time. Pay attention to the terminal pane. Here will be displayed any messages, including errors, if the package cannot be installed. The terminal may also output any recommendations for restarting the kernel. Your package is now in the Julia environment, ready for use.